Sweetie, what are you doing up? It's late. You should go back to bed. You can't sleep. You sure? Just come back to bed. It's okay. Sweetie, what's wrong? What's going on in your mind? Why can't you sleep? Okay. Mhm. Mhm. Mm. Oh, sweetie, I'm gonna be real with you, okay? I'm gonna be honest. Those people, they're just haters, okay? I'm serious, is that you're not single, so guys are gonna be mean, and girls are mean to you because you're just so pretty, so just don't worry about it too much, you know? I'm serious. Every time we walk around the mall or walk anywhere, so many guys are like checking you out and stuff like that, and they look at me and they're like, ill, you know? They look at me with disgust, like, how did that girl end up with this guy? You know? But yeah, the girls are just jealous because you're like a model, you know, so they wish they can be you. But on the real note, it's true. So, yeah, just don't worry about it. I mean, I'm serious. I'm not lying to you, sweetie. I mean, the other day when we were at the restaurant and you left to use the bathroom, the waiter was like, oh, how'd you get a girl like that, bro? And I was like, by not being myself. So, yeah, people are just shocked by your beauty, you know, so. But yeah, baby, they're just haters, and just don't worry about it too much, okay, sweetheart? Now go back to sleep, okay? Sweetie, you can't sleep, can you? Just don't worry about it too much, okay? Everything's gonna be okay. You know, when I first saw you, I thought you were like the most beautiful, absolutely drop dead gorgeous girl in the whole world. I did. I was like, wow, she's so beautiful. Yeah, I was so nervous when I first saw you. I wanted to go up to you, and I was so nervous and so scared. I was terrified. I was really, really terrified, but I knew I had to come up and talk to you. So I did. And I was walking to you, and as I was walking to you, my hands were sweaty and my heart was racing so fast. But I did muster up the courage to come up to you and say hi. And I still remember that first look when you gave me. When I walked up to you and said hi, you gave me that look like, ill. How dare this disgusting man come up to me? I'm just kidding. I think you were shocked. But, I tried to make small talk and stuff like that, and yeah, I was so nervous. I mean, I was so shocked that when I asked you out, you said yes. I couldn't believe my ears and eyes. Just couldn't believe it, but I think that was one of the most happiest moments of my life. Alright, sweetie. You really need to go to bed now, okay? It's getting late. And you have to wake up early tomorrow, okay? So, my little pumpkin bear, my little peach cobbler, my little apple pie, okay? You're gonna go to sleep now, okay? Good night. No, sweetie. You're not sleeping. You're hungry. Okay. We got some frozen food. Yeah. You got lasagna. We got pasta. We got Alfredo. We got these things called chimichangas. Those are good. You got corn dogs. You got frozen hamburgers. We have ice cubes and ice cream. You got chocolate, vanilla, Rocky Road, matcha. So what would you like? You want the lasagna? Perfect choice. We will get you the lasagna. Here you go, sweetie. I got you some food. Eat up, sweetie. Let's cuddle. Let's cuddle while you sleep. You got the most prettiest eyes in the world. I'm serious. Your eyes are really something special. And I'm not just telling you this to impress you or anything. It's just the way that they sparkle. They do. Especially when you talk about something you love, your eyes just sparkle. I mean, it is kind of distracting, but I don't mind it. I mean, who wouldn't get lost in those eyes? I mean, I do. I always get lost in your eyes. I do. And sometimes when the light hits your eyes just right, they glow. They really do. You really have a unique beauty to your eyes. But honestly, sweetie, you should really be careful. Because with eyes like yours, you might steal someone's heart without even trying. And your lips. Your lips are absolutely amazing. They're so beautiful. There's something about your lips that just draws me in. When you smile. When you smile, it lights up the whole room. It really does. And honestly, everything just kind of fades away. And I can't just help feel being so lucky with you here. And when you speak, I can listen to you for hours. Your voice combines with your lips moving. It mesmerizes me. It makes everything you say feel so special. I mean, I just want to let you know that I appreciate you, you know. Your lips are not just beautiful. Your lips also hold like this warmth and kindness to them. And it makes it very comforting to be close to you. I know I don't tell you this enough, but you're amazing inside and out. And your lips are just a part of that. And your hair is just, it's just so beautiful. And I love brushing my hair behind your ear. And it looks so soft and smooth. And I like the way how the light shines on it. It just glows. And I get lost in it sometimes. Your hair just fits your face so perfectly, it frames it so perfectly. But I really, really like brushing my fingers through your hair. It feels nice. And sometimes, when you let your hair down, I'm like, wow. It's like there's a whole brand new side of you that comes out. And you make beauty look so effortless. You really do. And your face is so beautiful. I don't know how many times I get lost every time I look at you. Your face is so soft and perfect. Every single little detail about your face, from your eyes, nose, and lips. When it all comes together, it just takes my breath away. The way how your eyes smile when you look at me really does just light up my world. Makes everything seem brighter and better. And I love watching how your expressions change. Whether you're happy or thoughtful or annoyed. And every emotion that crosses your face is so captivating.